Hello all, welcome to this Python course. In this video, I'm going to give explanation on membership operators in Python. Alright. So what exactly this membership? Do you know what exactly the membership is? See, if you are eligible for something that you have paid or you have subscribed or you have some coupon, so that is what is membership, right? So you are in or not. That's it. So the keyword you can just remember is in or not in. All right. So you are in a membership or you're not in a membership. That's it. All right. So let me give this membership operator I have commented, and let me give the the input. So the in I'm sorry, the output that you want to print. All right. So the comparison. So in and not in. So these are all the two keywords that is used for membership operator. Right. Let me see again. In our last video we have seen about the players, right? So again let me add the same csk. I'll create this list. In this list I'll add like msd. All right. Then let me add Suresh right now. Then Sam Curran. Right. So this is what the list I have been added. So in this list, I'll just simply I can check like you know Virat Kohli in CSK. All right. So this is the list I have created. So I have compared, and here as I said, the in is the operator, that is membership operator. So the color has been highlighted as orange, right? So it's a reserved one. So let me print it. Obviously the output will be false because Virat Kohli is not in CSK. Alright, so let me print it. Let me try to print other name instead of Virat Kohli. Let me add MS Dhoni. Yeah, it is false. The reason is, guess how? It is, as I said you, Python is a case sensitive. Alright, so here I have mentioned small s, so that is the reason it is a false. Alright, let me give MS Dhoni. Now let me see, it's a true, so I can remove this. All right, so let me check with you know Sam Curran or Suresh right now. This is all about the in operator, right? So Suresh Raina in in CSK. So definitely false. The reason is space again. So you have to consider the space also. All right. So space and caps. This is case sensitive. That also we have seen. Okay, so this is all about in. Let me check not in. So I think this first one is false. Let me make it as a true by giving the statement like not in. Alright, so not in. See this operator. Yeah, true. Alright, true. So as Virat Kohli is not in CSK, so we got the output as a true. So this is all about membership operator, and so the output of this membership operator is also true and false. Alright, so I hope you learned something in this video. Let me see on the upcoming videos all about the built-in data types like tuples, dictionary, list, and what are the data types. And after that, we'll get into some. Before that, maybe in the middle we'll have some somehow working with file handling also. We'll see to not to be in a bottom. All right. I hope you are enjoying this, and yes, we'll get back to you in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care.